Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. Today we're talking about options when you know you have asbestos in your stucco. So you're planning a renovation, you get the terrible surprise that you have asbestos content in the stucco. You have a couple options. One is to abate and remove the stucco. It can be quite expensive. In this particular case, it's an additional $30,000 to $40,000 for this project to abate. So we've gone with another option here, and that is to basically encapsulate the product. Now, some siding materials won't require that you do what we are here, but we're putting some James Hardie siding on here, and you cannot just nail that through stucco into your existing wall structure. You need to strap it. So in this case now, you can see we have some 2x4 strapping has been added on top of the siding, or the stucco, sorry. We're also going to be adding some rigid foam insulation in between the strapping, and then we'll mount our new James Hardie siding over top of that, and that will give it that enough meat to bite into to make sure that it's compliant with warranty requirements and the shear rating needed for Hardie products. So abatement might be the solution for you depending what your budget is, but there are ways you can address it without having to fully abate. And to be clear though, you need to make sure that it's still warranty compliant for the products that you're using. If you have any questions about this, you can reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great day.